Hi, I'm Alexander. Today is an exciting day. It's the colour of the month. Yes, this beautiful colour. What is it, I hear you cry? Well, it's bronzed honey R. And why is it called an R? Well, anything with an R means it has a root. So here we've got like a mid-brown root, not warm, not neutral, about in the middle, keeps it looking very natural. And if I take this off, you can see all these wonderful honey tones. Like, you know, you get dark honey, you get light honey, you get manuka honey, you get all these different kinds of honey. So honey isn't one shade. So we've got all of these different kind of honey tones in there. When you look from underneath, we've got almost like a bronze undertone from underneath, which really shadows through the colour. So bronze honey R is the colour. This is in the Muse collection, this style, and it is Posh Wavez. Absolutely beautiful hairstyle, beautiful colour, love the blending, love the tones, really warm, a great blonde. What do you think? Leave us some comments below. We'd love to know your thoughts. But my colour of the month today is Bronzed Honey R.